Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Nugget Ice Makers. Both machines promise to deliver delicious nugget ice, perfect for your favorite beverages. But how do they stack up against each other? We'll be looking at their price, daily production capacity, and the speed at which they produce ice. Let's find out which one is the best choice for your kitchen. When it comes to price, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker stands out as a budget-friendly option at just $199. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $469, making it a premium choice. While the Ecozy offers great value for those on a budget, the Aeitto justifies its higher price with advanced features and performance. In terms of daily production, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker can produce up to 33 pounds of nugget ice per day, which is quite impressive for home use. However, the Aeitto takes the lead with a maximum output of 40 pounds per day. This makes the Aeitto a better option for larger gatherings or for those who consume a lot of ice regularly. Speed is another crucial factor when choosing an ice maker. The Ecozy takes about 20 minutes to produce its first batch of ice, which may feel slow for some users. On the other hand, the Aeitto impressively produces its first batch in just 5 minutes, making it a top choice for those who want ice quickly. In conclusion, both the Ecozy and Aeitto Nugget ice makers have their unique advantages. The Ecozy is perfect for those looking for a cost-effective solution, while the Aeitto offers superior performance and speed for a higher price. Whichever you choose, both will provide you with the delightful nugget ice you crave. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.